Hello guys, let's talk today about how to install the Hikvision SADP tool on a Mac, okay, on a MacBook that I have here. So it's very simple. You just need to come to the Hikvision web page, and here instead of software, you come directly to support and resources, okay? Then you click here, and you're gonna find downloads, and here tools. Okay, so you go down and you look for the tools for Mac. In this case, you're going to look for the SADP for Mac OS. Here we go. Just open it up and click here in the installer, SADP for Mac OS 64-bit. Okay. Click, wait for the download, and then click the package to install. Double click here. Click continue, install. And here you're going to enter your password for installation. Click install software. And just wait for it to finish. And here we go. The installation was successful. Just close it. Move the package to the trash. And you're ready to go. Okay. Then when you come here to your launchpad, you can see the software just here, SADP2. I'll click on it, enter your password again, and here we go. You have your software working, and you can find the camera in the network. All right, so guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.